Updated villa with beautiful park-like view, in the highly desirable Gulf Gate area. Updates include air conditioner in 2022, impact windows and doors in 2019, the electrical panel in 2018, stainless steel appliances in 2018, and roof in 2015. The kitchen is updated with an open concept island feature, granite countertops, and beautiful cabinetry. The flooring is a combination of tile and wood laminate, so no carpet. The front features a screened entrance, and the back of the unit has an enclosed lanai and a separate open-air patio that overlooks the expansive park-like setting. The guest bath is also updated and the enclosed laundry has extra storage space. The Gulf Gate area is so close to shopping, restaurants, and the world-famous Siesta Key Beach. The Gulf Gate Library and Village are features you will love.